welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing first impression, honest review, eyeshadow look on the Norvina palette, if I'm saying that correctly. Before we get right into it, I did just want to say I have recently had my eyebrows and lips tattooed. So this is 1 week on. They're obviously still in the healing phase. My lips are a little bit scabby. My brows have got lots of cream on them. Stay tuned for the YouTube vlog and my experience of getting both of these cosmetic tattoos. It will be up in a few weeks, but yeah, if you guys notice that, you know, my lips and my brows might be looking a little, that's why. Ugh, I hate the feel of velvet, honestly. Ugh, it's like the one thing I don't like the feel of, and like paddle pop sticks, oh god. Anyway, this arrived yesterday. I ordered it directly off the Anastasia Beverly Hills website because they were releasing the palettes there first. All the other places like Sephora and stuff like that had to wait, you know, a few more weeks. So I thought, screw that, I don't want to wait. I'm going to go directly to the website and buy it from there. I won't talk too much about the packaging because you guys probably already have watched a million of these videos already. Oh, I just dipped my finger into one of the eye colors. No! The thing that is a little bit different about this palette is it's basically 50-50 matte and shimmer shades. So there's a whole lot of shimmer shades all on the top row. All on the bottom row is matte shades. I'm going to use the brush that comes with it as well. I'm going to use a little bit of Too Faced Shadow Insurance as a primer just on one eye, and then we'll see how the other eye goes without a primer. Brows are looking so good. It's so nice to have eyebrows, guys. Oh my god. The first color I'm going to go in with is Eccentric. Seems like this really gorgeous, oh my gosh, pigmented. I literally just dabbed the brush in and it's like, oh, hello, hello. Into the crease. And I don't like this brush. This brush feels really hard. Oh, oh, well, man, that is pigmented. Like Fallout City if you if you use too much. I actually think this one's blending out better on the non-primed side as opposed to the primed side. Primed side seemed to stick a little bit. I'm now going to go in with Incense, soften out. Oh my gosh, that is actually darker than what I thought it would be. I'm trying my best to keep the shadows off my brow bone, away from my eyebrows basically. Man, that color is darker than what I thought. Like, it looks so much lighter than that one, but it is actually pretty dark. Let's do a swatch. Wow. I'm gonna go in with Base, which is that lighter shade, and just try and blend that out without going too far into the brow bone. I'm now going to go in with Passion, and I'm going to basically start to darken mainly the outer portion and the inner portion of my eyes. So we're going for a halo eye today. Oh, I really like this color. Lightly dusting that into that crease as well. Next I'm going to go in with Drama, which is one of the glittery colors. I just want to see what it's like layering that over the top of the matte color. It doesn't seem to be that shimmery, this particular color, but it is still super, super pretty. These seem to blend really, really nicely as well. I'm not having any issues with the blending so far. Now I'm using some Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in the shade L1 Neutral. I'm gonna carve out my crease. Talk about timing. Someone just woke up. Didn't you? You got biscuit all over your face. So cute. Go in with the rose gold color because that is just freaking stunning. It's very soft. Even just really gently digging that in, it's like really super, super soft. Also going to go back in with Drama and just kind of blend that in a little bit more. I feel like this look can either go like one or two places. Like you could go for the real bright colors in the center or the nice neutral goldy colors. Oh, I don't know. I think I might go for Wild Child, because why not? It is a gorgeous, gorgeous glittery pink color, but look at that rose gold. I've like destroyed that. So yeah, I don't know if this one's gonna act the same, but they just seem to be really, really super soft. In the center, I don't think there's as much contrast as what I thought there would be. Like, it doesn't really seem like there's that much difference between the rose gold and this pink color. I mean, obviously they're different colors, but when applying them like this, it doesn't really seem like there's that much difference. I might go in with a little bit of Dreamer and just see if we can, you know, get some difference going in there. I feel like it's all kind of blurring into one. I've done this much with my makeup so far. What I'm going to do is wipe off the excess, do the rest of my base makeup, then we'll come back to the eyes. Majority of my makeup's on. Hazel's eating a biscuit. I'm not doing lashes today because I had my eyelashes permed and it is so freaking hard to get eyelashes on. Oh my gosh. I think I'm just so used to like my straight lashes with no curl when I put lashes on. Anyway, the next step for me is to line my lower waterline. I'm going to use this Vivid Bright liner by NYX Cosmetics. This is in Bellious Edge. I'm going to go in with the shade Celestial, which is the gorgeous purple shade that this kind of palette seems to be based around in a way. Definitely doesn't seem as soft as the rose gold. Like, the rose gold was crazy, crazy soft. I'm also going to try applying this wet and just see what kind of a difference it makes. I'm going to tie that in with a little bit of Soul, which is like that cottony kind of blue color. It actually seems to be darker than I thought. A lot of these shadows are surprising me. I'm thinking they're one thing and then I put them on and I'm like, okay, no, you're not a soft blue, you're a friggin' denim. I'm gonna kind of dust that underneath that purple just to give it a little bit of frame, and then go in with Drama, which is that darkest shade, just in that outer portion. And a tiny bit in that inner portion, but not too much. Do want a bit more of a pop. Like, some of these shimmery colors are not as bright as what I thought they would be. So I'm gonna go in with that little bright pink color, the Wild Child, and just do a tiny dot in the center there, just to try and make it pop a little bit more. Because I want to be a bit extra, I'm just going to do some little dots and stars with these colors here. I just want to do a tiny bit of Dreamer in that inner portion. Yes. Hello, that is friggin' bright. Oh, I want this as my highlighter. I think I'm going to do this as my highlighter, even though I've already got highlighter on. But let's do it because it's so pretty. Oh yes, that is a gorgeous color. Anastasia Beverly Hills, you need to make this into a highlighter because it is so pretty. Here you have the finished result. I'm really loving it, but I don't think it's as kind of magical as what I thought it would be. Like, seeing all those gorgeous kind of vibrant looking glittery shades, they don't really pop out as much as what I thought, or the ones that I used today didn't pop out as much as what I thought they would. They are still gorgeous, gorgeous colors, but I kind of expected them to be a little bit more bang. Like, I expected them to have a bit more oomph to them. They kind of seem to blend into kind of a neutrally kind of similar shade. Even like my lower lash line, majority of that is a bright purple, but from this distance it's not really showing how bright it is. I mean, yeah, they are gorgeous, gorgeous colors, but it just seemed to kind of blend and blur into the one kind of monotone type shade in a way, which I think is a little bit disappointing. Yes, the shimmery shades are super, super soft and they just seem to dent really quite easily. I did use some of them wet. I didn't really notice too much of a difference wet as opposed to dry. They didn't really give me that much more oomph either. It was a little bit disappointing, but in saying that, it is still a gorgeous palette. I still definitely will use it again. I love especially these shades here. I think they're just absolutely stunning. But yeah, it kind of all seemed a little meh to me. I was expecting just a bit more, I guess, in a way. But I had this kind of idea in my mind with the little stars and stuff like that, but I expected it to be a lot more kind of magical and colourful and galaxy almost. But yeah, it just didn't really end up that way. Oh, man, I spilled toothpaste on myself this morning. That's what she said. Alright, so we are going to do just a few little swatches of this baby. We'll start off with the shimmery shades. Here we have Dreamer, which is gorgeous. Summer, Wild Child, Rose Gold. They are so similar, like they are really quite kind of bronzy, goldy, similar shades. Celestial, Dazzling, and Drama. So yeah, very, very similar kind of colors. I will show you guys with the brush. Celestial, like there is gold that comes off with the brush. Summer, again, I honestly think these could be better if you apply them with your finger or like do it in real kind of patting motions, because that's just pretty crummy. Okay, so we will go for the matte shades now. We have Base, Soul, Incense, Love. Oh, Love is a pretty color. Volatile, Eccentric, and Passion. So yeah, again, very gorgeous shades. Like I figure after using this palette, it does seem to be like a really muted. So if you're kind of introducing yourself to color, this might be a good way to go. But if you're wanting something bright, definitely not. We'll try with the brush. This is Rose. I'm gonna try with the fluffier side as well. Incense. Matte shades definitely are performing a lot better. Soul. So yeah, anyway rainbows, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I love you all and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.